In video 7 of the Golden Ad Report, we're going to break down the specific report and why. Let's go ahead and jump right on in. We're going to jump right on into the report breakdown. So what's going to happen is we're going to want to build this at the ad set level. So just go ahead and click into campaigns on the tab, and again, I'll show you the over-shoulder look here in just a second. And then you're going to go ahead and click to customize columns. If you don't know where that is, you can go ahead and fast forward through this video. You'll see where I'll give you the example here in just a moment. But what we're going to do is we're looking to line up these columns in the exact same order essentially as our funnel. So you're going to see I have 4 slides here. They're going to show you the exact setup that I use for our funnel and many of our clients. And just to go through it really quickly, it's campaign. We have campaign name starts at first, and then errors. Sometimes I remove that, but then campaign name starts, ends. So when does it start, end? Delivery, is it running right now? What's the objective? Is it a video view? Conversion, what are the current results? Current cost per results. Results rate, doesn't really matter. It's a percentage rate I can take out of there. But I definitely want to know reach. How many people saw my ad? Actual people. Frequency, how often did they see my ad? Impressions. If they saw my ad twice, that means I'd have a reach of 1, but impressions would be 2 with a frequency of 2, right? So also relevance score. I want to see relevance score and positive and negative feedback. You're only going to be able to see at the ad level. Now what's going to happen is this is step 2 of 4. Now I want to see what's the click-through rate. Now that someone's seen the ad, what's the click-through rate that they actually click? That's why clicks all and cost per click all. What is that? And then what you're going to see is video view average. So I know that they click to the ad if there was a video. How long do they watch the video for? And then how many 3-second video views did I get? Cost per 3-second. 10-second video views, cost per 10-second. 30-second video views, what was the cost there? And then video watches 25, 50, 75, 95, 100%, and then amount spent and budget. Now what this is essentially going to show us is that once someone looks at an ad, if they click on it, or what happens if they end up watching a video. So if they click away from this, meaning they click on the ad and go to the site, that's what you're going to see in step number 3. So step number 3 right here. Now it's